how to create quotation for sales in Odoo. So in order to create that, you can head over and open your sales app first. So this is what your sales app look like. So here it is right here. Here's your sales app. Head over and click on that, and then you should be able to see this. Now in here, click on this new right here, and then you can just put in here the name of customer, order lines like product, like section, notes, catalog, and likes, the price list, the expiration, the payment terms, as well as the unit price, taxes if they have any, the product that you will use for this case, the quantity that they will have. You can also put in here optional products. So this is actually your quotation for that specific customer. And then once you have inputted everything, just click on the send message right here and then send this to the customer that you want to send this particular quotation into. So that's how you create quotation for sales on Odoo. Hope we helped.